and see.
Plants are fun for you and me.
Magic box will help today.
Let's learn plants in a happy way.
Tree, tree, big tall tree.
Green, green leaves for you and me.
Tree, tree, what do you see?
I love the tree, oh yes indeed.
Bush, bush, round and small.
Bush, bush, I like them all.
Bush, bush, come with me.
Look at the bush, so fun to see.
Flower, flower, red and blue.
Flower, flower, pink one too.
Flower, flower, sweet for you.
I love the flowers, how about you?
Grass, grass, green and low.
Grass, grass, it likes to grow.
Grass, grass, soft you know.
Run on the grass, go, go, go.
Leaf, leaf, yellow or green.
Leaf, leaf, shiny and clean.
Leaf, leaf, what a scene.
I like the leaves, so bright it seems.
Fruit, fruit, sweet and round.
Fruit, fruit grows on the ground.
Fruit, fruit, colors abound.
Yummy fruit is all around.
A tree. This is a tree. A bush. This is a bush. A flower. This is a flower. Grass. This is grass. A leaf. This is a leaf. A fruit. This is a fruit.